SEO is an important part of any business's online presence, but most people don't know what it is or how it works. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Essentially, Google has a certain criteria that it's looking for a website to fill in order to place it higher in the search queue. The better your site fills that criteria, the better you'll be ranked. Why is SEO so important? Over 60% of clicks go to the top 3 ranked sites in the search engine results page. In fact, 75% of searchers don't even look past the first page of Google. Here are 3 easy steps you can do on your own to help improve your SEO. Google My Business is a free and easy-to-use tool that gives Google and searchers an easy place to find your website, contact info, location, and more. To set it up, log into your Gmail account or create one if you don't have one and go to google.com/business. From here, you'll be able to create a Google My Business page or claim your business if it's already been automatically generated by Google. Soon enough, when someone searches for you, you'll show up in the Google Local Pack, giving you great visibility. Titles and meta descriptions are a core foundation of SEO on your website. Titles are the name that your page will display on Google, and meta descriptions are the short description blurb underneath it. Keep your titles under 60 characters and use an easy-to-read format like this one: the page name, description, and business name. For example, our homepage would look something like this. Meta descriptions should be under 130 characters and contain keywords that you're trying to target for your website. Since we're a digital marketing agency, ours may be something like, Reinard Media is a digital marketing agency located in Twin Falls, Idaho. We offer website design, pay-per-click advertising, and SEO. The keywords we're trying to target are the ones shown in bold. If you don't know how to edit your titles and metas, ask your website manager or give us a call for SEO help. This is one of the most important criteria to help give your SEO long-term success. One of the easiest ways you can create unique, original content for your site is to write a blog about something pertaining to your business. Find something to write about, research it, and then blog about it. While you're doing your research, you may find blogs already covering what you're trying to write about. Don't let that discourage you. Get all the information you can and make your article even better. Google's ultimate goal is to provide searches with the best answer. Always strive to make your content the best answer. All in all, local SEO can be confusing, and there are a lot of moving parts, but your best starting points are setting up Google My Business, making strong titles and metas, and creating unique, original, quality content.